Welcome back, Crypto Explorers. Today we're diving into a game changer for traders and gamers alike. Gambit Finance, a dynamic platform that brings SkillFi to life. Launched earlier this year in June 2024, Gambit is already reshaping the way we invest in esports and gaming talent. Forget token launches or NFT mints. This is about owning a fraction of your favorite gamer's success. Whether you're a degen trader or a skilled gamer, let's break it down using our favorite model. What, why, and how. What is Gambit Finance? Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting projects shaking up both the gaming and crypto worlds, Gambit Protocol. So, what exactly is Gambit? Gambit Protocol, launched on June 25, 2024, is the next-gen platform that bridges the gap between crypto trading and competitive gaming. It's not your typical crypto project. There's no token launch or NFT mint here. Instead, you get a chance to own a fraction of your favorite gamers and share in their performance. Imagine holding a stake in the top gamer like you would with a stock and being able to profit from their success. Why should you care about Gambit Finance? Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, if you're a trader or gamer, Gambit opens up new revenue streams. Here's why it matters. Gambit Finance frequently holds prize pools for various esports events, meaning that there will be plenty more opportunities to participate in exciting competitions just like the previous 50K prize event. Keep an eye out for future tournaments where both traders and gamers can win big. Exclusive whitelisting. Early adopters on the whitelist got special privileges. Imagine getting into a cell 30 minutes before everyone else. That's what whitelisted users experience with private trading access right at launch. Own a piece of esports stars. Gambit's SkillFi model lets you profit directly from skilled gamers. When a gamer you've invested in performs well, you share in their earnings, or you can flip your bits for profit. Essentially, you're investing in gaming talent. Bonding curve for pricing. The value of a gamer's bit increases based on demand, thanks to Gambit's dynamic bonding curve model. This rewards early adopters and ensures the platform maintains liquidity. Step-by-step guide to buy your first bit. Step 1. Access the Gambit Protocol dashboard. First, head over to gambit.finance. This is where all the magic happens. You'll need to connect your Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask, to get started. Step 2. Connect your wallet. Now, click the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. Choose MetaMask or another compatible wallet. Make sure your wallet is funded with some ETH on the base Layer 2 network, which is required for transactions. If you need Wells to trade, you can use Aerodrome to swap ETH for Wells. Step 3. Browse gamer bits. Once your wallet is connected, you can browse the list of gamers on the SkillFi dashboard. Each gamer is ranked based on their performance stats, and you can see how many bits are in circulation for each player. Step 4. Analyze gamer stats. Check out key stats like their MMR, kill-death ratio, and more. The higher these numbers, the more valuable the gamer could be, making their bits a good investment. Step 5. Purchase your first bit. When you found a gamer you believe in, simply click Buy Bit. You'll need to approve the transaction through your wallet. Remember, the price of a bit follows a bonding curve. It starts low and increases as more bits are purchased. Step 6. Monitor your investment. After your purchase, you can monitor your bits in the dashboard. As your gamer performs well, their bit value might increase, giving you a chance to sell for a profit or hold on and share in their winnings. The Gambit Protocol ecosystem features and benefits. But that's not all. Gambit Protocol is more than just a trading platform. It's designed to become a core ecosystem for gamers and traders alike, combining elements of DeFi, or decentralized finance, and SkillFi, or skill finance. Here's a quick look at its standout features. Player stats analysis. Gambit allows you to view detailed player stats and make informed decisions when building your portfolio of gamer bits. Dynamic bit pricing. Using an AMM, or automated market maker, prices of bits dynamically adjust, providing liquidity and ensuring smooth trading. Multi-game integration. Over 15 games are planned for SDK integration, meaning you'll be able to trade bits for players in a wide variety of games, from FPS to MOBA to sports simulations. Long-term support. With Gambit becoming a staple in the on-chain cash gaming world, the platform ensures that gamers and traders alike can continue to benefit as new games and features are introduced. The future of Gambit Protocol. What's next? Looking ahead, Gambit Protocol is set to revolutionize the esports and gaming industry. As the platform grows, it will serve as the foundation for on-chain competitive gaming, meaning you can expect to see more tournaments, bigger prize pools, and even more opportunities to trade and invest in your favorite gamers. And remember, this is just the beginning. Gambit's integration with over 15 games ensures that this skill-based finance model will extend far beyond the initial games, giving both gamers and investors plenty of room to grow. That's it for today's deep dive into Gambit Protocol. Whether you're a pro gamer looking to monetize your skills or a savvy trader trying to capitalize on gamer performance, Gambit is a platform you don't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more innovative crypto projects like Gambit Protocol, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Explainer, and share your thoughts in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.